Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over this high quality, high speed HDMI cable from the folks at Silkand. This is an up to 8K 60 Hertz ultra high speed HDMI cable that supports 48 gigabit transfer speeds and resolutions as high as 8K 60 Hertz or 4K 120 Hertz. I have a 4K 60 Hertz display and this does an easy job being able to transfer that through. I'm also playing some Switch 2. Being able to support HDR is fantastic as well, as you can see with this cable. It's an ultra certified cable that looks beautiful in the hand, adorned with aluminum alloy shell and very durable nylon braiding. With that said, the folks at Silkand did provide to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Let's unbox it, show off that nylon braiding, and then see what this looks like here on my PC, Mac, and even a Switch 2 with HDR. Unboxing is super straightforward. This HDMI Ultra Certified cable I think is an awesome option to use for your PlayStation 5. It's great to use for the new Switch 2 because it features HDR. I have a 4K 60 Hertz display. You can see it's got an anodized aluminum alloy casing with this very soft and durable nylon braiding. I opted into about the 6-foot cable. This is gonna be just fine being able to connect it to my Switch 2, my PC, my Mac for high quality display. Okay, let's go ahead and connect the Ultra Certified 8K 60 Hertz HDMI cable here. It does support my 4K 60 Hertz. I've also got a Nintendo Switch that I wanna make sure that I've got HDR connected. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. Plugging it in the back of the Mac Mini is very easy. Slot in the back, it just fits right into. It's standard HDMI cable. Now it's displaying native resolution. We can go into my settings. We can show you the LG Ultrafine. We can turn on high dynamic range. From here, you can see dynamic range is enabled. 60 Hertz is what we can choose. Right now it's default at 1920 by 1080. We can change it to 4K. Showing you here it's capable of outputting 4K resolution. I'm very pleased with how this outcome is for the cable. Now onto the Switch. We can go ahead and plug this into the Switch. It integrates seamlessly with the Nintendo Switch. Turning on, it immediately asks you to adjust for HDR. We're gonna go ahead and adjust that. Showing you here the dynamic range is fantastic. Outputs 120 Hertz for 1080p and 1440p. Right now the TV resolution is 2160p or 4K and HDR output is enabled. You can put it into dark mode and that makes it a little bit easier to be able to see the HDR quality. The HDR looks fantastic on Mario Kart World. That fidelity is fantastic. It just looks super great with this really high quality ultra certified HDMI cable. Mario Kart has never been such high fidelity till now. HDR looks terrific. And the finish is mine, first place. Couldn't have done it without HDR. With that said, this is my go-to for really high quality HD display, whether it's for your projector, whether it's for your gaming device, or just your day-to-day PC or Mac. This is great for up to 8K 60 Hertz. I have a 4K 60 Hertz monitor, and this has been fantastic to be able to have, especially when I'm playing Switch 2 and want to play something in HDR. With that said, the folks at Silkand did provide to me complimentary, and this video is sponsored. Down below in the links in the description, the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.